Canada is a bilingual country. I think in Winnipeg, having only French, I don't think if you have chance of getting a job, even a cleaning job. Well, yes, if I can refer again to the experience that one of us had when he was trying to get a cleaning job with his French. So we encourage them to look forward, not only maybe learn English, maybe you may have intention of doing other things than cleaning or working with the Enviro. So here, if you don't have English, you can't even go for training, right? If you have English, you can go for various training. People are going like for healthcare aid training, whatever. But if you don't have English here, I don't know where you will go and get that kind of training. And also, we decided, as I already said, that we have to give opportunity to people who are working with us, who would like to be a part of this business. We give them opportunity. Our door is open to them, and also we wanted also to create a space where people will come and work and feel part of it. I mean, one of us gave an example when we were trying to do this, where he was working. You know, it was in a factory, right? And he was given the instruction to do something, and his English was poor. So for him to read that instructions and to know what is needed to do was hard. And he went to another worker who was there, has been working there for a long time, and tried to ask him, "Can you explain me this?" That guy told him, use your mind. And you know, so we think that Enviro-Safe should be a place where people should understand each other, right? I mean, a democratic circle, right? Where you give chance to someone to speak, and if he's having a problem, try to assist him as much as you can. And our last goal was really make sure that if we get a newcomer coming and who's seeking a job with us, try to give him a chance. That chance is let him work with us, so that when in the future he wants to write his resume or a resume, at least, right, in that resume will appear Enviro-Safe cleaning worker, Coop Canada, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. That way, when he goes or she goes for a job, he will not have a problem saying, "Oh, you haven't worked in Canada yet." So briefly, those are our social goals. Our environmental goals were really motivated by two facts, right? First of all was how those products that are used in cleaning industry impact our health, right? So we would like to find ourselves using the product that will at the end have an effect on our health, right? Becoming sick because we keep using some product that are full of chemical inside, something like that. We also said, of course, we look at the health of our client, right? When we go with some product, we clean your office, we sweep your table, but at last there is something that will remain there when you come, and if you keep absorbing those kind of residue, in the long run they will have an impact on your health. And also the environment, right? When we throw something that is not good in our environment, we are affecting our soil where we grow our food. We are also affecting the air that we breathe. And I think this it was very, very important that we agree on doing that, and I think Terry and Musagi who were people who really convinced the rest of us so that we can follow this approach. And our vision for the future, anyway, as any other business, Enviro-Safe want to grow bigger and grow bigger not in terms of sales, grow bigger also in terms of new members, right? We want to grow bigger in terms of money, and we want to grow bigger in terms of member. We would like to see Enviro-Safe moving from 5, 3 or to 10 or 15 or 20 members, right? And we also really looking at investing in education for our members. We are really serious on that because we believe that if Enviro-Safe wants to be a business of the future, I think we need people who have skills to run it. And also we would like in the future to be able to provide social benefit to our members and create other business. Enviro-Safe is not really, we are ambitious, even if we don't have the mean of those ambitions, but we are ambitious. We would like to see one day to move from cleaning and do other, invest in other areas of business, right? And also to extend. I would like maybe Enviro-Safe to go to Brandon, Enviro-Safe to go all over Manitoba. Why not outside of Manitoba? It's possible. Yes, that's briefly it's what I prepared for this presentation today. I may not have said everything you were expecting me to say. Maybe if you have a question, we can extend in answering to your questions. Thank you very much.